To correct bunion and relieve pains, we recommend the corrective orthosis EPITACT. How do hallux valgus form? Hallux valgus, commonly called bunions, are caused by the lateral deviation of the first metatarsal varus, together with the deviation of the big toe outward valgus, all resulting in pressure and the development of a growth on the forefoot. Unfortunately, this can cause unbearable pain, aching joints and tendons, inflammation of the bunion caused by pressure from the shoe. What is EPITACT'S solution for correcting and relieving the pain caused by bunions? Objective number 1. To correct the varus deformation of the first metatarsal. To achieve this, the EPITACT corrective orthosis comprises a very slim metatarsal compression band combined with an epithelium patch to counteract the pressure of the shoe. Working together, they push the first metatarsal back and reduce squashing of the forefoot. Objective number 2. To correct the valgus deformity of the big toe. The EPITACT corrective orthosis has a patented silicone support, the epithelium flex, which straightens the big toe. These x-rays show that the brace has provided an immediate 14-degree correction of the valgus deformity. Objective number 3. To relieve the pain caused by the deformity. The silicone external tendon enables the absorption of pressures on the bunion and thus relieves pains. To correct bunion and relieve pains, we recommend the corrective orthosis EPITACT. With its patented design, the flexible and extra slim EPITACT corrective orthosis reduces squashing on the forefoot while straightening up the big toe. Unlike rigid orthosis, it easily fits in all kinds of shoes and acts as you walk on all factors aggravating the deformity. The EPITACT corrective orthosis is machine washable at 40 degrees Celsius using the washing bag provided.